watching. Welcome back to another vlog of the Big Three. Small big, medium big, big big. So today we're going to be making the lechon belly. Thank you guys for watching and enjoy the video. Matagal na pala isang defix kanang kita ko sa radyo. Ako nung bunga ko, wala kang katawa. Wala kang bibili ang super. Okay. Ako dito kasi kailangan ko sa mga. Wow. Guys, isa-isa kami parang magkabungay. Team up, team work together as a team. War together we stand. Why did we fall? Tama gila. Tama gamit niyo guys. Tama ang ingon, tama ko lang. Hello. Hindi po lingkod. Ilan ka ng asawan ko, di ba? Lalo ka ng asawan ko. Lalo ha? Hi teachers! I already did the sanitary cleaning of the grade 8. Sanitary ba? Wow! Amazing! Of course guys, after mag-iwat ta, dapat maglimpyo po ta. Same time burn. Wow, responsible can you see? Big no? Si big ba? Big. Wala mapilian eh. Kung maglambing. Alam? Wow. Hindi mo waswason? So guys, karon guys, marami ug chop. So, kasi kailangan na to, right? Oh, spy, si pala teachers. Oh, 5 liters. Kani, layo pa kita naglakon pero okay na. Dili ba guys? Okay na. Pwede na. Ala. Guys, after so long walk, takot na kami. Bigar ako dito. Kasi ko no. Ay kana. Hindi ko pero. Nakita ko. Dao. Ala, hindi to the rescue. So obviously if nakatay pang lechon, nakatay ipapin mo sa lechon, kung sikaw na mo, wala duduto lechon, diba? Lechon. O, nagilaw pa. Ay, te. Oh, video na ako. Ano? Ako pa nila ba? Sa? Oh, dito na pa, puno. Dito na, ice cream. Ako, kabigot ni Kwan. Pino, may dino. Oh, dito sa balik. Berti ka ba? Kuro ni namaan. Kita pa rin mo. Berti ka ba? Tinamaan na naman ka. Balik. Oh, guys, banding na.
Go. Sugo na.
Milk tea ka ba?
Kamot. Kamot Juson. Taro nga gunit kamot ba? Di maputol.
Ilay na putol lagi. Diyan na. Guys, kita na mo ang step ko. Flavor sa dal. Dito ka sa Sprite. Good. Ay, no. Idriya ko rin. Lagi ko libo. Di ba meron kang bibig? Buta ko. Ako nag-iisidriyan. Awa, may sok. Nag-iisidriyan. Second wave guys. Wow. Sujud na to sa mga gusto guys. There's a hold. Ako isa daw. There's a hold daw. Ay, nag-iisip yan. Political motion na guys. Tapos video.
Ito na ako terapi, pero uban. Sige, sige. Daw ka sa manin. Sige, liquid. Enzyme. Resourcefulness. Sama benar. Lagi ada dia. Nyau. Masakit taro nga. May dia ndak praktis na. Gawin. Spread tanan jud tanggapan tanan. Dito po spikas. Ikaw dito spikas. Okay, ito na ako. Imagine mo, ibabutan lamang kang next meeting mo. Pakita ang best video. Kita ang ginawa rin kan lagi. Quote. Serius enggak? Bis like professional view. Ya professional tayo ba? Professional ka ba? Wala, dito yun. Guys, ito siya guys, Omar. First time niya ko ganito. Ingay ka taas. Langit, ingay ka ba? Isog daw. Iswagins. This is the finished product. Wow. Ano ba ito? Guys, iso mo nito. Parang rin. Ikaw na guys. Wow. Balik.
Sa ilalim daw. Balik.
Sige, tunggu nih.
Sa akin.
Tomorrow. Benar. Tuh. Kamu? Silakan Jason. Katanya apa?
Mana? Oh. Hi guys, so today guys, tahu kan ya? Isikan dong guys, masih guys, video suka niya, bawas kayo ba? Okay guys, insert ulit ba? Di ko siya kahit. Nenek gua tak. Sakit.
So, naghinay-hinay man ni guys, nalimton ako, nalubat ko guys. So man ni si Adrian ron, final na siya. Ala, siya na yung finishing touches. Kaya kami mong ni Brainerd ganiha nagtarong ana. Si Adrian namong patiwason. Kamalo.
Kebutuhan kemana nih? Ya.
Kita eh.
Ikut dulu.
Tulo. So guys, padulong nami guys, naghaling nami, padulong nami magsugod na sa luto kay para crispy na siya. Crispy-licious, juicy-licious, makaon na licious.
So guys, kanya siya guys, yan ang i-finishing touches, agaligo. Masay. Dili, turo nga. Massage ba? Sus, yan. Ay, akit ko na ito eh. Go. Last na bito na masahe. Ano naman na, last na masahe ba? Napakipay pa na siya, di ba? Ikaw, kung matay. Hindi ka ganahan namin yung last masahe. Kinain na lang, puti biyang sulog. Ito, wala sa bas, nagkakuha na nga sa sulog, patis. Wala. Wala na, finish. Gigilig.
Guys, so karon guys, nag-waiting game namin guys para sakto na ang hauling guys. So, mo niya guys.
Para makuhan.
Kani guys oh. Na? Ah. Mga professional made diri guys. Professional made diri guys. Play na? So guys, today nainit naman jud ang among ihaling karon ba mag-cook nami sa lechon belly. So, puli-puli mi ni Adrian og tuyo. Kung makasud pa ni Brainer daw, pwede isod. So, thank you guys for
Ito na ako kapil.
sticking with us guys.
Two hours.
1 hour.
So 1 hour is sakto na 2 hours.
50.
2 hours. 2 hours sakto. 2 hours.
After 2 hours of cooking this lechon belly, we are now finished. Look, come closer, come closer. Look, it is perfectly juicy. It's not overcooked. It's already very crunchy. We tested earlier. See?
Awa.
The fork, the fork. Check out. Tingnan nyo yan, okay? It is very crispy, very juicy, perfect overall. We made sure. See, if there's already. Remember this. If it's dripping, it's probably finished. Okay, remember that. So we'll now be taking it down back to the eatery so we can plate it and prep it for plating. Thank you. So guys, namin dire guys and amon pa ni ipa drip kay para amon ni ma-transfer for plating. Be sure to stick to the end to know the final results. So we served na siya.
This is your food for today, sir.
Wow, what is this?
This is lechon belly, sir, made with love, with the soy sauce and the suka combined and the pure suka. It's very fresh. Suka wrap. Soy syrup.
So, what is the ingredients?
The ingredients that we use here are ahus, bombay,
English. Uy!
ay hala,
There's also tanghad.
garlic, onion, lemongrass. Ikay recite big, di ko mo English ano. Tangad, and then the sibuyas dahonan, and then the chili, and then the pepper, and then we also had some paminta. Yeah. And then look at the lechon, it's very crispy. Even if you look at it, it's very crispy.
So, who cooked this?
All three of
All
us.
three of us combined.
So, how many hours? So that I'll know.
How many hours?
2 hours.
2 hours for the cooking,
Exactly.
about mga 1 hour for the preparation for the meat.
Okay, can I taste it now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's see.
Dig in, sir.
So, I will not dip muna, so I can taste how was it.
like carcarlechon. Yeah, I see. It is crunchy. Did you hear it? Very crunchy. Nice one. Now I will try to dip. Can I use my bare hands?
Yes, of
Because
course.
It's so delicious.
Sukarap.
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 So guys, we will end the video muna kay madugay pag kaon kay grabe lami daw kayo. Sige, thank you guys.
But before, rate it out of 10.
Of course. Number 10. Very delicious.
Thank you for watching today's vid, guys. Once again, what are we? The big three.
Big Three.
Small, big, medium, big.
Big.
Bye,
Too
guys.
big. Stay hydrated.
She wants